Very overwhelmed, but somehow with Tamasha it's a very emotional feeling. Usually one is in a very celebratory mode, but I think for us it's been a very, very emotional journey. I don't think any of us expected this kind of a reaction. I know I say it with every film, but Tamasha has been special. I think especially to do with the performance and Ranveer's performance. It's very, very overwhelming because it's more than what any of us had expected. तारा ही मोना डार्लिंग प्ले करती है ना, तो वो पूरा जो चैप्टर है मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया. बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते हैं जहाँ एक विद इन अ कैरेक्टर यू प्ले अ कैरेक्टर, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग था. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक इस जर्नी को लेकर आई थिंक हम सब बहुत ही इमोशनल हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी वांटेड टू शेयर दिस एक्सपीरियंस विद एवरीवन. इट्स बीन अ वेरी, वेरी डिफिकल्ट फिल्म इमोशनली, एंड या नाउ लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बाजीराव मस्तानी. जी, ये अच्छी बात है. No, not at all. That's the way it is. The film is about Dev's journey, and I mean that's the way the film is. I'm fully aware of the film that I was getting. Very happy acting. मैं अपने आप को क्रेडिट कभी नहीं दूँगी. रणवीर बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, और जो भी हो रहा है इस फिल्म के साथ सबकी मेहनत है, सबने साथ काम किया है, तो सिर्फ मुझे क्रेडिट देना सही नहीं होगा. पर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि फाइनली 3 फिल्मों के बाद जो लोग उनके बारे में कह रहे थे या उनके करियर के बारे में जो भी लोग कह रहे थे, मैं खुश हूँ कि अब वो सब निकल गया है दिमाग से, एंड आई जस्ट वांट हिम टू बी हैप्पी. बहुत जल्दी अपने रिव्यूज रखने लग जाते हैं, बहुत हार्श कमेंट्स करने लग जाते हैं. ओह नो, नॉट एट ऑल. ऑफ कोर्स फिलहाल तो कुछ है नहीं, बट आई एम श्योर तमाशा देखने के बाद बहुत लोग चाहेंगे कि हम फिर से साथ काम करें. बट एट द मोमेंट इफ़ यू वांट टू सी अस ऑन स्क्रीन, आई थिंक तमाशा ही देखना होगा, बिकॉज वी नॉट साइंड एनीथिंग फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. वी नॉट लाइक एनीथिंग सो फार. Yes, a lot, especially the scene at the restaurant. When we do interviews and when we talk about certain scenes, I think people just say, "Acha, हाँ, okay, yeah, what is it? हाँ, देखेंगे." But I think if you revisit interviews after you've seen a film, I think people understand, because people are specifically pointing out to particular scenes and people are specifically talking about that scene. And that's when they're like, now we understand what you were trying to say, So there's always this difference between, for us as actors, we've been through that experience, but I think the audience obviously experiences it only after the film has come out. कहाँ हैं आप? जी, I think she'll be back soon. Yes, of course. I hope we do. It's definitely a part of the plan. So I hope she comes back soon and we can all promote the film together. And like how Ranveer joined the casting crew of Tamasha for the promotion. Ranveer also joined the casting for Bajiram Mastani. I don't know, but you should ask him when he comes. Thank you.
थोड़ा बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग होती है जब लोगों को फिल्म पसंद आती है. बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपना प्यार दिखाया है फिल्म के प्रति. आई थिंक it's an overwhelming feeling. So we've received a lot of love here. I don't know. It feels great, and a lot of people have been very emotional in the way that they've reacted to the film, and I feel equally emotional when I hear such an emotional reaction, such a personal reaction. It's good, you know.
There's also a section of people who haven't liked the film.
Right.
Mixed response will happen.
Right. See, I've right from even in the movies that I've made before this, Rockstar, etc. Sometimes the comments are very diverse. The opinions are differ. Every time I make a movie, I feel that everybody should be included in this. Everyone should like it, and I hope that you know, in the future, I make movies which more and more people like and less people don't like. But I can't help it. I guess it's okay if, you know, sometimes there are people who don't like a film.
रणबीर की कैरेक्टर की बात करें, वेट की अगर बात करें, इस तरीके से जितना इंटेंस कैरेक्टर उनका रहा है, यस सर, ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग आपने ऑफ स्क्रीन आपने वही कैरेक्टर में अपने रणबीर को देखा, मतलब वेट का जिस तरीके से मतलब दिखाया गया है, जिस तरह से वो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस में आता है पोस्ट इंट्रो की अगर हम बात
मेरे ख्याल से क्या होता है कि the one reason why some people are liking this film is because they can relate to the character that Ranbir has played, that's Ved Vardhan. In our lives, many of us are in a certain trap, we are in a certain mechanical routine, and in living that routine we become something else. I've also seen that, parts of that in myself and in the people around me. So that intensity comes to Ranbir almost intuitively, and I think a lot of people have related to Ved and to Ranbir. पूरा सेटिस्फैक्शन मुझे लाइफ में आज तक नहीं हुआ है और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि कभी ना हो. पूरा सेटिस्फैक्शन हमेशा नहीं होता, क्योंकि मगर आप जो बेसिकली जो बात आप कहना चाहते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक वो बात कहीं ना कहीं पहुँची है ऑडियंस तक, एंड उसकी वार्मथ मुझे नज़र आती है.
कोई ऐसा पार्ट जो छूटा हो और उसे आप फ्यूचर में दिखाना चाहते हो जो आपको लगता है कि इस फिल्म में रह गया?
नहीं, अभी ये कहना बहुत मुश्किल है कि इस फिल्म में क्या रह गया, मगर ज़रूर मुझे यकीन है कि कुछ दिनों के बाद मुझे ज़रूर लगेगा कि ये भी होना था इस फिल्म में, या इसमें इस तरह की बात बाद में लगेगी.
Deepika told that she's happy for Ranbir that finally after 3 back-to-back battles, this will work for him. So how happy are you for him?
Man, a lot of people have been saying a few things on the Facebook page, etc., and everywhere. There's a certain saying that is going about Ranbir, which is Dawn returns. So I feel the most elated about that. Actually, the whole nation loves him so much that everyone was eager to see him back in top form, and I was one of them. I think I'm also an admirer of his acting capabilities, and I'm very, very happy.
यस सर, ड्रीम टीम है आपकी, रणबीर की और दीपिका की.
Ranbir for the last 2 days is we are not saying much to each other. It's like you know, we are talking very little. Ranbir and I are talking very little with each other, I guess, because both of us are trying to wrap our heads around what is happening, because also opinion comes in waves in this industry. It is likely that a good opinion comes to us and bad opinion does not come to us first, but over a period of time you try to see what the bad opinion is, so that you know the kind of reaction to the film in its entirety and its honesty. And right now we've said very little to each other because it's like, should we just get excited or should we hold back or what, you know? So he's been busy working. I've also been doing things. So we are trying to, but one thing is for sure, that people have warmed up to the film. I've received love for this film, which is what we are celebrating right now. Not really the figures, which I hope are better and better and better, but that.
तमाशा के बाद के बाद हमें क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट देखने को मिलेंगे आगे, क्योंकि आपने कहा कि शाहरुख खान के साथ अगर कोई ऐसी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट आया तो मैं काम करूँगा, तो कोई ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट है उन्हें लेकर पर्टिकुलर आप कुछ काम कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, शाहरुख खान की जो बात है ना, ये मैं उनसे कई बार कुछ दिन पहले मिला था, उसको भी महीनों हो गए, तो अभी उसमें कोई कुछ भी कंफर्म्ड चीज़ नहीं है जो मैं आपको बोल सकता हूँ, काश ऐसा होता। बट अभी जब ये फिल्म ख़त्म हो चुकी है, इसके 1-2 हफ्ते बाद जब थोड़ी बदली छटेगी तो मैं देखूँगा आगे क्या होता है।
Also, Ranveer openly expressed his desire to work with you. So any film with Ranveer?
रणवीर
एंड दीपिका एंड रणवीर, इट्स अ ड्रीम। तो हम वापस देख सकते हैं सर?
नहीं, अच्छा हाँ, सी आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू वर्क विद दीपिका एंड रणवीर एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड hopefully with Ranveer, matlab there are so many exciting actors that are there, and Ranveer is somebody who I feel is very exciting. You know, he's got this crazy energy going, and hopefully there'd be something as energetic or as interesting for him to play.
और एक अभी फिल्म का नाम था, इसका बदल के आपने तमाशा रखा, तो क्या लगता है कि ये relevant ज़्यादा लगा लोगों को?
जी हाँ, ये ज़्यादा मुझे रेलेवेंट लगा था तमाशा विंडो सीट से, क्योंकि वो ये ना ज़िंदगी के तमाशे की बात है।
इनके से कई सारे डायरेक्टर हम देख रहे हैं कि अपनी अपनी फिल्मों में कैमियो भी करते हैं, तो हम आपको देखेंगे इस तरह से?
बिल्कुल नहीं, जब उसके लिए आपको सुभाष घाई बनना पड़ता है। अभी तक वो हुआ नहीं है। थैंक यू।
जब ये फिल्म हम लोग ग्रीन लाइट करते हैं तो लगता है कि ये डिफरेंट फिल्म है, ये कैसी पब्लिक एक्सेप्ट करेगी, और बहुत खुशी होती है जो 3 दिन का रिजल्ट देखा हम लोगों ने। एंड वी ऑलवेज हैड ग्रेट फेथ इन इम्तियाज़। नहीं, क्या होता है एक्चुअली, हम लोग चाहते हैं कि डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी बोले, और इम्तियाज़ इज़ अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी टेलर, और ये जो 3 दिन का रिजल्ट आया उससे ये विश्वास होता है कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट अगर मेहनत करो तो रिजल्ट आता है।
पहला थॉट ये था कि you need great actors to pull this off, and I think that's what Imtiaz has managed to do, get 2 of the most charismatic actors in the industry with the sort of chemistry to die for. And I think Ranveer and Deepika have really pulled off a coup, because there's so many sequences in the film where, you know, it's really up to the actors and their chemistry and their ability as performers to be able to take the story forward. And Imtiaz and the 2 of them have done such a spectacular job. I think the reactions that we've been getting have been truly amazing. There are people who are saying it's been a life-changing experience for them. There are people who've said that they see so much of themselves in the movie. Itna relatability hai film mein. So I think Imtiaz, Ranveer and Deepika have done a tremendous, tremendous job.
Last time जब दीपिका और रणवीर की जोड़ी आई थी, लोगों ने काफी अप्रिशिएट किया था। How did you like the जोड़ी?
Well, the jodi worked out really well for us because we co-produced that movie as well, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. And you know, as we know, that film did spectacular business at the box office. We're all hoping that Tamasha does the same.
सर, क्या लगता है कि इम्तियाज़ के साथ जो फिल्म पूरा हो गया और फिल्म में जो चीज़ें दिखाई गई उससे अपने आप को कितना रिलेट कर पाए?
बहुत ही, because you know everyone is in situations where हम कुछ कर रहे हैं and we don't really want to be doing it, or we found ourselves in those situations in life where we're not following our dreams, and I think it's just so relatable, and the way that Imtiaz has been able to put it across is that it's a woman who redeems him and who makes him be who he really can be and who he has the potential to be, and I think he's done it so beautifully, so entertainingly and so poetically at the same time. I think everyone has been through that. I mean, you know, I'm sure it's happened to you as well. That you know, you've been through situations where you're not really doing something that you really want to be doing, and I think it's so important to really follow your heart, follow your dreams, and that's what Tamasha tells you to do. Thank you.
Well, जो हमने फिल्म के ज़रिए किया है, हमने यही कोशिश किया था कि उनको एक ट्रिब्यूट दे, एक जैसा एक मॉकरी या मिमिक्री ना हो, एंड आई होप कि ही इज़ अप देयर ब्लेसिंग अस एंड इज़ हैप्पी विद द मैसेज।
Thank the audience.
थैंक यू।